Javed Habib, the name synonymous with style, fashion and celebrity glamour. But tonight, his name is linked to a scam, betrayal and shattered dreams. From haircuts to high-stakes fraud. Allegations that Habib, his son and their aides lured hundreds of people into a cryptocurrency trap. Our explosive investigation from the ground in Sambal reveals how lives were ruined, education stopped and marriages postponed, all in the name of quick profits. This is the Raj Mahal Resort where the promotional event of Follicle Global Company was held. Here in this glittering hall, Javed Habib and his son persuaded over 150 people to invest in a dream that turned into a nightmare.
This is the Raj Mahal Resort. This is the same place where the promotional event of Follicle Company Group was held, and a lot of people have accused that the hairstylist Javed Habib, who owns one of India's most famous hairstyle and beauty salon, has conducted a promotional event here where more than 150 people were collected, and they persuaded this Javed Habib, his son, along with two other accused. They persuaded the people here to invest in cryptocurrency. And when those people started asking for their money back, he absconded, he shut down that company. This is the same hall where more than 150 people lost their life savings.
हमें इसको ना आगे लेके चलना है इंडस्ट्री को विद द सपोर्ट ऑफ यू. अगर हम लोग दोनों मिलके काम कर लें, आप अपना रोल प्ले कीजिए, मैं अपना रोल प्ले करता हूँ, हम लोग सबको फायदा होगा.
The promise his company made was invest today, earn 10 times tomorrow.
जी सर, प्लान पूरा एक्सप्लेन हुआ है.
And the pitch was Binance coins, bitcoins and profits beyond imagination. But the reality is far from what was promised.
मैडम, मेरे 1,11,000 रुपये लगे हुए इसमें, और मुझे एक बार दो बार पैसे थोड़े थोड़े दिए हैं उन्होंने. और हमने सैफुल से बात की तो उन्होंने हमें हमारे सामने जावेद हबीब का चेहरा पेश कर दिया कि साहब ये जावेद हबीब हैं, इंटरनेशनल हेयर सैलून चलाते हैं ये, और करोड़पति अरबपति पार्टी हैं, ये तुम्हें 1 के 10 गुना देंगे. इस लालच में आके हमने पैसे लगा दिए उसमें.
A respected face and international figure was used as a guarantee of trust. Ordinary people poured in their savings, their sweat, their blood, believing a celebrity will not betray them.
फैसल बोला, मतलब ये जो ब्रांचें होती हैं, जैसे ये बाल काटने वाली जावेद हबीबी की जो हैं, ये दूसरी जगह जो आप बाल कटाते हैं 50 रुपये लेता है, जैसे ये लेता है 5,000 रुपये. बोले देखो कितना प्रॉफिट है. बोले ये संभल में भी कर रहा है, द्वारका में भी कर रहा है, जगह जगह ब्रांचें कर रहा है. तो बोले इसने जो है ना फॉलिकल ग्लोबल वो बनाई है एक कंपनी, उसमें इन्वेस्ट करो, ये ब्रांचें बनाएगा, संभल में भी खुलने वाली है. बोले अगले महीने ऐसा करता था. तो हमने मैडम इन्वेस्ट कर दिया. हमने सैफुल को नहीं दिया, हमें मालूम है ये नकार आदमी है. लेकिन जावेद हबीबी जब हमारे सामने संभल में आया, उसने बात करी कि हाँ मैं ब्रांच खोल रहा हूँ, मैं ये कर रहा हूँ, तो हमने इन्वेस्ट कर दिया. मैं बोला यार पार्टी सामने, ओनर सामने खड़ा, तो फिर क्या है. तो मैं बोला इंडिया का जाना पहचाना चेहरा है, कर देते हैं चलो.
This is the Royal Palace Hall, the epicenter of the scam. This is where Javed Habib, his son and their close aide held glittering meetings trapping 150 investors in Sambal.
When people who were robbed of their hard-earned money complained that they were not being given the money as promised, the 50 to 70% return on their investment in the Follicle Global Company, they were not receiving it. This is the hall at Royal Palace where Javed Habib with his son Anas Habib and Saiful conducted a meeting with all the people, around 100-150 people, and reassured them that within due time they will definitely return the money. He claimed that he comes from a very prestigious family and he is going to keep his word, and this is the same place, the same hall at Royal Palace in Sambal where he conducted the meeting, assured people that their hard-earned money will be returned with the promised investment. But eventually, when, after being hammered again and again by those people, eventually he shut off his company and absconded.
Here, people were shown the sparkle of luxury, the illusion of wealth. From Sambal to Dwarka, they were promised branches, profits, futures, but what followed was a financial ruin.
बताइए, सैफुल हमारे घर पर आए थे कि शकील भाई एक कंपनी अपना वो बनाया है उन्होंने ओपन, और उसमें आप पैसा इन्वेस्ट करो तो उसमें अच्छा आपको प्रॉफिट मिलेगा बहुत उसमें। तो क्योंकि हमारे मोहल्ले के हैं, रिश्तेदारी भी हैं हमारे, आने उनके कहने से हमने उसमें पेमेंट लगा दी। आने के बाद में पेमेंट लगाने के बाद में इन्होंने कई बार हमारी पेमेंट लगवाई, 24-25 लाख रुपए हमने लगाए उसमें। 15 लाख रुपए मेरे नाम से लगा हुए हैं और 10 लाख रुपए मेरे बेटे के नाम से लगा हुए हैं। मुरार रोड पे एक प्लेस है, उसके अंदर फिर मीटिंग कराई, वहाँ हमारी नोक झोंक भी काफ़ी हुई जावेद हबीब से। मैंने कहा साहब हमारे पास जो भी बैलेंस था हमारे बच्चों की फ्यूचर का, उसका सब कुछ हमने इसमें लगा दिया और हमें 1 साल से कोई रिटर्न नहीं मिल रहा है, मतलब ना प्रॉफिट मिल रहा है ना असल रकम मिल रही है। तो उन्होंने ये कहा था मुझे 1 महीने टाइम और दे दो। आज 15 अप्रैल है, ये मतलब ये 30 मई से पहले सब कुछ नॉर्मल हो जाएगा, बिल्कुल आपका रिटर्न भी आना शुरू हो जाएगा, पेमेंट भी आनी शुरू हो जाएगी।
Education funds, family savings, and life's hard earnings. Everything was swallowed by the promise of Follicle Global. Even after confrontation, victims were given false deadlines, fake assurances, and more betrayal.
इस टाइम इसके ऑफिस पे जा गए थे हम पेमेंट देने इसको, तो उस टाइम फ्लोर पे फ्लोर बनवा रहा था बंदा, और सारा पैसा करोड़ों रुपए का सीआर के हिसाब से इसने गबन करा है जावेद हबीब के नाम पे। अब जावेद हबीब को पेमेंट पहुंचा या इसको पहुंचा ये हमको नहीं पता, बहरहाल हमारे पास से तो सैफुल को गया ऑन टेबल 4,70,000 रुपये गया मैं कि जस्ट सामने ही है ना बैक में, तो वहाँ पे ऑफिस इन्होंने बना रखा था, वहाँ पे सोफे पड़े थे, एलईडी लग रही है 50-56 इंच की एलईडी, वाईफाई लग रहा है, उस पर मैच देखे जा रहे हैं, फुल एंजॉय हो रहा था इन लोगों का। और सोफे पे टांग रख के पड़े हुए थे सोफे, आराम से बैठे हुए मौज मार रहा है, क्यों पैसा चल के आ रहा था इन लोगों के पास, गरीबों का पैसा, उससे गरीबों के पैसे से अपना मजा कर रहे थे सबके सब, फ्लोर पे फ्लोर बना रहे हैं। अरे दूसरे का, मेरी सिस्टर का शादी का पैसा, शर्म तो कर लेते ये लोग, इन्हें शर्म नहीं आई सालों को दूसरे का पैसा क्या है क्या नहीं है, कम से कम शर्म होना चाहिए, नहीं होना चाहिए इन लोगों को, बिल्कुल आंखों में सील नहीं है, दूसरे का गरीबों का पैसा। मेरी सिस्टर की शादी पोस्टपोन हो गई।
And this is that very building in Sambal. Victims say crore of rupees were collected here under the Follicle Global banner. Floor after floor was being constructed even as the dream of investors came crashing down.
This is the building where Saiful, one of the accused in this entire matter, used to sit. This is the entire office. He claimed that this is the office for Follicle Global Company, and this is where he used to invite people to discuss the strategy, what will be the strategy to go ahead, how the investment should be done, what amount should be given, which channels will be taken to for the said investment. This is where the entire alleged scam used to carry out. And if we listen to the victims in the case, according to them, this is this building, they saw this building being made in front of their eyes of their own hard-earned money, with which these people have now created and built such a tall building here. And if we look around, actually if we look around, and there are a lot of buildings, this is the tallest building here.
From flashy offices with LED TVs, Wi-Fi and luxury sofas, to the dark reality of families whose marriages were postponed, futures stolen and lives destroyed. When complaints were filed, instead of remorse, there were threats. Instead of justice, there was boasting of political influence and death threats.
वो क्या कहते हैं, मैं यहाँ पर हूँ, मैं वहाँ पर हूँ, मैं यहाँ पर हूँ, मैं वहाँ पर हूँ, उन्हें टालेगा। फिर हमने शिकायत दर्ज करी थानों में, फिर सर के पास भी गए हम, एडिशनल एसपी साहब के साथ भी एप्लीकेशन दी हमने, मगर उसके बाद भी वो कह रहा है कि मेरे पास ये है, मेरे पास वो है, मेरे पास कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ने वाला, ये है वो है, इस तरह से अब कह रहा है मैं स्टे लेने जाऊँगा। और हमारी भी छोटी कपड़े की शॉप है, उस पर भी धमकी देने का सिस्टम भी चल रहा है।
Javed Habib, the man known for celebrity haircuts, now faces allegations of cutting through people's savings, their trust and their futures.
Right now, what we are doing is we are giving them the notice under 35B. Once they come here and give their statement, considering the scale of the fraud, because right now only 15-16 people have come, but there are chances that these numbers might swell. Once we receive all the applications, then we will consider it under Gangster Act as well. Because if it is a gang who is operating to dupe people, then under the local act of UP State Gangster Act, we will go and we will also proceed with seizing the property of these people, so that the innocent people who have been defrauded, they get their due share. So this is basically a financial fraud committed at the pretext of giving better return, higher returns. We are summoning the accounts, and through Binance, which is a platform through which all these Bitcoin transactions take place. So Binance is going to help us. All the financial transactions, we will also take help if there is any scope of money laundering as well, because most of these investments are then taken out of the country through these Bitcoin and the Binance actions. So we will also see whether this money was laundered or not.
An FIR has now been registered at Rai Sati police station, and police is currently investigating the bank transfer, the money trail, and how these innocent people were duped of lakhs of rupees. These people, the papers that you see, the screenshots that you see, those are not just paper with number. Those are the proof of shattered trust, people who have lost their life savings. Now the police has said that they will investigate the matter, but the people here are still awaiting accountability. From Sambal, with people awaiting justice, this is Shambhavi reporting with Vijay Vivek on Republic TV.